Hello my friends and welcome back to another vlog. As you can probably see, I'm currently at my parents' house. I had work from 8 till 6:30. It's now 7:07 and I'm here. I came because my parents are still away and so I had to feed little Mr. Milo over there. I need to go to KMART because KMART is the last place that I need to go to buy moving in things. I've done all my stuff at IKEA, I've done my grocery shops, I've already done quite a bit of stuff. Sorry, my camera ran out of storage. But basically what I was saying, KMART is the last place that I need to go to pick up kind of like a bulk of things, and then I think I'm done. Like, I've done all my IKEA stuff, I've done all my grocery stuff, I've bought all my cleaning stuff, I have my furniture. All of the main stuff is done except for this little list of things I have here in my bullet journal. So I'm gonna go tonight while my clothes are in the wash because they're gonna take about an hour. So I'm gonna go tonight and I'll probably vlog a little bit there, probably not a lot, but I'll do a haul as well, maybe when I get back to my house. My trolley is filling up with stuff and it's literally the most boring group of products that I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, nothing is cute in there. Absolutely nothing. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen where I do all my hauls. Now I'm going to show you what I bought from Kmart. The first thing I got was one of these, like, I think my mum calls it like a drying horse or an air horse. It's called a 12 rail clothes airer. It's just good for like if it's raining and we can't use the clothesline outside or something like that. I also got a peeler because I didn't realize that we didn't have one. I used to have one and I don't know where it went, but I don't have one, so I got one. I also got a spatula and this one is a bendy one because I don't have a bendy one and I really like these types of things for when I'm cooking, so I got that. I also got some command hooks because since we're renting we can't put stuff like drill stuff into the wall and these ones won't leave marks on the wall. I also got a strainer because we didn't have one and these are really useful. I also got some little black shorts, like running shorts, because I can wear these to work and I don't have any shorts that I can wear to work, so these are very handy. And then I also just got a bin. This is just going to go in my office. I also got a 3-tiered steamer so I can steam my broccoli and carrots and things like that because I like vegetables. I also got this for my pantry shelf. So in our pantry we have 4 shelves, which means we have 1 shelf each, and this is just like a little shelf to put in there so I can organize things a bit better and use my space really wisely because I have a lot of food, so I need to use my space wisely. I also got some more coat hangers because apparently I have that much of a shopping problem that I ran out of hangers. I have this folder that we're going to put all of our important documents in so we have them all together. I have this notebook that we're going to put all of our important information in, and I have a bin that I'm going to put in the pantry to keep my food in. And that is all the things that I got. Good morning my friends, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday and I have a day off today, so I thought I would vlog. I'm standing in the hallway because it's the best lighting here. I think it's also going to be really echoey though, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm about to head out shopping because I need to pick up a few things, so welcome to the vlog. I'm going to go shopping. Let's go. I'll see you there, or when I get home, or whenever I vlog next. Let's go. Actually, just kidding. I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. It's super casual, but I'm wearing this grey V-neck t-shirt that I got from Pretty Little Thing the other day. I just cuffed the sleeves because they're really abnormally long. I'm just wearing shorts from City Beach and I'm wearing my new slides from Famous Footwear, but I just wanted something that was easy to get in and out of because there are a couple things that I need to get that are clothing and I need to get changed into them to try them on, so I wanted an easy outfit and this is my easy outfit. Let's go shopping. I feel like a cheerleader. Ready? Okay. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Rachel Has a Shopping Addiction, aka it is time for a haul. So I went out shopping and picked up the things that I needed to pick up. It's actually like a couple hours later now. I like came home and had lunch and I've been editing, but I thought I'd take a break and show you guys what I bought, and then I'm going to clean up my filming room because I want to film like a filming room haul, which you guys will have already seen in my filming room video. But then my mum's coming over to see the house for the first time because my parents just got home from being interstate. But right now I'm going to show you what I bought. So basically, to kind of explain myself a little bit, on my birthday I went shopping at Harbour Town, and some of the things that skate home. And some of the things that I wanted to get from Harbour Town were some workout leggings and some sports bras, but I didn't find either of those things at Harbour Town. Like, I didn't really like the ones that I saw, so I went shopping today to pick those things up. And for my birthday I put aside money and I didn't end up using all of that, so I was able to use that today, so I was able to justify it. To be honest, I didn't really need new sports bras, they're just like my favorite thing to purchase, but I did need some workout leggings because with my new job I basically just wear the company shirt and then I get to wear like sneakers or runners or whatever and then work out workout tights or like shorts or something, and they just have to be black, so I needed some more of those for work. So firstly I went into Cotton On Body because I wanted to see if their workout tights looked good or not, and I didn't really like any of the workout tights that I saw. However, I did find some other things that I really liked. So when I went shopping on my birthday, I got this like orangey colored shirt, which you guys probably would have seen in that haul that I showed on my birthday, and it's just like a running shirt, and honestly it's one of my favorite running shirts that I own now, and it was only $5, and when I went into Cotton On Body today they had other colors of it, so I was like, you know what, I need it. So firstly I got the gray one. As you can see, they're like really lightweight, so they're just really comfortable and airy, just like perfect to wear when you're going running. Like I said, I already have like the orangey peachy color, and then I just got this bluey colored one, and these are just really comfortable, really easy to wear, and I love them a lot. And then the last thing I got from Cotton On Body was this little pair of running shorts. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I do a lot of running, and these are my favorite things to wear while I run. And I honestly feel like the Cotton On Body little like shorts, bike shorts, are some of the best ones I've tried. I prefer these over Nike Pros and the ones from Adidas because they're a little bit longer, and I feel like they work just the same, and they're a little bit thicker, to be honest, so love those. Then I went into Puma and just got sucked into buying things that I didn't need. But firstly I got this white running shirt, and I just really liked it because obviously it was white, so it will go with like everything. I actually have this style of shirt in 2 other colors. I have it in black and like a periwinkle purpley kind of color, and I love them for running. Like I feel so comfortable in them when I run, and they fit me perfectly. So I got the white one as well because it was on sale, and I got sucked in. And the last thing I got from Puma, oh my gosh, I love it so much, is this new sports bra, and it has the Puma symbol on it, so it's obviously this pinky purpley kind of color, and then it has this like shiny metallic logo on the front. I already have the black version of this with the white logo, but this one I just like, oh my gosh, and it's like an aqua kind of metallic color, and so I love it. And this was on sale as well, so it was fine. And then for my workout tights, I actually ended up going to Rockwear. I've never bought anything from there, but when we were at Harbour Town we went into the store there, and the lady had good customer service, but it was like, it was too good. Like she was really pushy, like she's like, you should buy this, you should buy this, I'll put this in the change room, and it was like very intense, and it got to the point where I was like, I don't even want to like shop here, I just want to leave. So I just like left because I just didn't want to deal with that. But I really liked the tights they had there, so today I just went back to a normal Rockwear shop and tried on some of their leggings. Their customer service was not as pushy as the one at Harbour Town, however it was still like very in your face, I guess. Like I think their customer service is really great because they're very willing to help you out, but like sometimes you just want to shop by yourself, if you know what I mean. And like there's a line where it's like too much customer service. So I think Rockwear has great customer service. The one at Harbour Town had too much customer service to a point where it made me feel uncomfortable, but this one was really nice. So I got 3 pairs of tights. Like I said, I have to wear black for work, so it's not gonna be that super exciting, but they're still a little bit exciting. The first pair I got is this pair here. They basically just go to under my knee, and they're pretty plain, but they have this really cool band. This is really great because it like fits me very well, and it like stays up quite well because it has this thick elastic band at the top. All of these are high-waisted. I made sure they were all high-waisted when I was trying them on because I much prefer workout leggings that are high-waisted. And apart from that, they're just fully black, but they do have a little panel of like mesh here. You can't really see it very well, but they have a little panel of mesh there to make it a little bit more interesting. The second pair I got are so incredibly comfortable, and they're really cool too. So they're just plain black, but if you look really closely, which you'll be able to see, they have this like, it's not even texture, I don't really think, it's just kind of like this pattern on them, but they're still black, which is really cool because it means I can wear them to work, but they're just a little bit different. But these, wow, like as soon as I put them on, I was like, I need to get these because they were the most comfortable things ever. These ones are a little bit longer than the ones I just showed you, but they're still not like full length. So these ones kind of come to like halfway down my shin, which is like a nice length. It's a good length to have. And the last ones are my favorite. These ones are full length, so these ones are just plain black up the top, but right down the bottom it has this striped kind of pattern, I guess, and this basically covers most of my shin. I'm getting a call, sorry about that, I had work call me. So if you're looking for some workout tights, would definitely recommend Rockwear because these ones are so comfortable. When I tried them on, I loved them, and I'll be getting a lot of use out of them at work. But that is my haul, and now I'm going to clean my filming room, so when my mum comes over, she'll be really proud of me because my room will be really clean. You know when you like clean your room and then you like call your mum and you're like, Mum, come look at my room because it's all clean, and she's like, oh my gosh, you did such a good job, and you're like, thanks.
beautiful, Rach.
And I got my poster up that you bought me.
Oh, good. Good.
This is George's room.
Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, she's got just a small panda.
It's a big bear. And like her walk-in wardrobe and her own little bathroom. Have you ever had one that big, Mum?
No. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. So neat.
Yeah.
Wow, that all looks fabulous.
What do you think of the house?
Beautiful.
It's a good little house.
Yeah.
It's a pretty big house.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's really good. I missed you.
Oh, I missed you too, darling.
She left me for a week and a half. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. So one of my favorite things to meal prep is like, I don't even know what you call this group of things, but it's a very common group of things. Basically sweet potato, normal potato, and pumpkin. I just cube it up. I put it, like bake it in the oven for like half an hour or so, put some herbs and spices and stuff on it. And then I cook a whole big batch of that, and then I just have it with my meals throughout the week. And it just means that I have some vegetables throughout the week. And it's so versatile. You can chuck it on some rice with some other vegetables and things like that and have like a burrito kind of bowl, or you can have it in tortillas and make it a burrito. A lot of the time what I do is just have some spinach and like a bed of spinach and add that on top, and have like another side like some chicken or something like that. And it's just like really versatile. Can have it with so many different meals, but it tastes really good as well. So I'm just gonna cut up or cube up a lot of this stuff and bake it for a while so I can have it throughout the week. Look who's being a domestic goddess over here. Wow, look at you go. What are you cooking?
Spaghetti.
And we're eating snacks while we make food. But my food's in the oven. It's cooking away. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's bugged up. It's great. There's my meal prep, going well. Cooking. What's cooking? Good looking. Behind the scenes of a Georgia Richards sit down kind of video. Georgia is filming a whole video for all of her home decor stuff, and I am cameraman. Woman. I will press record in 3, 2, 1. So Georgia and I just finished filming a video for her channel and a video for my channel. Her video was just her, I was just like helping out. But my video is like with her in the video, which is really exciting. This is the aftermath of the video, if you can make any guesses. But now I'm gonna take off my makeup. I just got into my pajamas. It's a good time. It's a good way to spend your Sunday night.